Girls and boys, I want to talk to you about the Wavytalk 1875 watt hair dryer. Now, Wavytalk is the brand, and I have actually touted their brand before. I have their travel size flat iron particular model. It comes in 4 or 5 colors, and it does come with the pop-on diffuser and or this nozzle, which is really great for a good blow dry. So this nozzle is great for curly hair and keeping the frizz away. You just pop it on. To get the dryer started, we simply turn it on. Now this particular model is for fine hair. That's full speed, second speed, and off. It also has 2 heat settings. So that's cool, warm, and hot, and it does get very hot. And then it has the automatic cool down button as well. Warm, and then hot, and then cool, and then cold with this little button. It does have the on and off ion switch, which I keep on, and for my blowout, it has this adjustable nozzle, so it focuses all the heat at once, so you can roller brush your hair. So here we go.
So you can tell I've got some frizz going on here. Turn the heat up, and then nozzle. And the frizz is gone. Now,
so you can imagine how well it takes to cold hair, wet hair. So it got rid of the frizz.